I think you should create a class of mouse, and let's see, bracket open, bracket close, and say that welcome home. Welcome home. Let's come outside and then hit the tab key. I think that should be content. Press on the tab key. Let me go back again. Okay, so that is spelling. Whenever you end with whatever you want to end with, okay, if you want content to be placed inside whatever you are doing, like this, web thing that at least shortcutting you are doing. Hey, Rade, I don't play for like, is it for like, why did you ask this question in the first place? See what you let me carry these people to. Yes, more. Sometimes when you're in class teaching and then one student to ask some question, it will take you all to a different world. Time is beating us, honestly. Okay, let me just walk around this quickly and then, because what I have planned for today is massive, and I don't think today's will be enough. And me too, I will not do this thing giddy via, and then I want to take my time so that you understand any concept we are doing for better and once and for all. So we have a class of vehicles. Now create a div with a class of vehicles, and then inside that first one, create another div again, having a class of keys. Then inside that particular div, create another div again, but that one should have an ID of new. Hashtag means ID, okay? An ID of new items or new item. And inside that particular div with an ID of new item, make a bring out P elements. How many of them? Asterisk 4. If you bring asterisk hash new item, like it also create 4 new items. So asterisk 4 new item. It also create that particular thing, 4 of them. But then we don't want 4 classes before an element. What for? So it created P element, and then multiply it by like how many of them? Just 4 of them. And inside that particular P element, put inside it, that's a greater than, the meaning of greater than, okay? Put inside it another class of mouse. Then we want to put inside that particular element with that class of mouse, then we want to display an element. I want to display some content. Then a curly brace open, curly brace close. Then type that particular thing that you want to put inside the P element as content. So say that welcome home. Welcome home. Control plus S. And when you're done, press on the tab key. Press on the tab key when you're done. Sometimes it will check whether you are delaying or you move away from that particular thing. And when you press on tab, it might not respond. So immediately you are done typing it, you hit on the tab key first. So you can see that you click the class vehicle and put inside that particular class a div with a class of keys. Put inside that particular div another what? ID, div with an ID. And inside that one to create 4 of the P elements, and to give that particular content a class, it has to use a span, because span don't change anything except that the class will be called in the CSS and then altered. That is what happened. Okay, so if you also do something like this, dot new greater than h element, I want h5 element, and then that h5, okay, fine, new dot new greater than, that means inside create a class with a create a div with a class of new, and inside it create how many? Create 5 h5 elements, and then h5, create h5 elements, multiply with the number what? 5 of them. That means create 5 of what? h5 elements, or even create 6 h5 elements. There's a curly brace open, curly brace close. Now inside that particular h5 element that we are creating, put this content there. New element made. Jump out of that particular thing. You are inside it and you press on the tab key, it will still do, but sometimes to shift your words forward. So that you create the class, to create the div with a class of new, inside it to put about the h5 there repeatedly. I hope I didn't confuse anybody. Let me get back to you guys and see. Jesus Christ. Abdul, what are you saying? From the beginning. Already, I've lost someone, honestly. Falashid. Has he fallen asleep? Falashid. Please, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Wow. What a shock. All right, Abdul, were you clarified along the line? So,
I'm okay.
all right, okay. Okay, Falashid is amazing. Falashid, send me hi in my DM. I want to know the institution you are and what you are doing. Yeah, I want to know what exactly you are studying, because it is very rare to see females being serious, especially in the IT sector like this. All right. I am cleared. That's okay. All right. Guru says it's clear. That's okay. All right. Let's carry on. Honestly, the question wasn't small question. So whatever we are doing, they are all reflecting here. But we had to see them rather in the in the VS Code. Yeah. That's why I wasn't switching to the browser. So let us clear all this thing. Okay. For today's lesson, where is my phone? Okay. So my time has far been spent, honestly. But I'll try to cover up something before we leave. Always, we have to cover up something. We have to pick something. You know, the brain is happy when we learn something in a whole day, honestly. Yeah. So, we'll look at CSS background images and then text manipulation there. It's not anything much BR. Then the icons. I have to introduce you to the icons. Somebody asked an icon some time ago. I don't know if you are in the class today. He asked, how can we put an icon by the username and then the password? I still remember. Any question I postpone, I keep it in mind. And then we'll look at how to style the link. I think when we do these things, we'll keep it. And the following day, I'll treat again the CSS positioning in the next class. What it is very cantankerous. Yeah, care must be taken. These are the things, positioning, flex bosses. They are the killer things in the CSS. And once you grab those things, you design anything. Anything. You even start to even draw with CSS. You don't need pen and paper again. Yeah, tell you. So, if you become a backend developer, you will love it. Yeah, if you coding nice interface alongside the backend. So we'll look at background image immediately. Okay. All right. Let us wipe whatever we've done, which is what we are seeing here. Let us wipe it. Okay. Let us wipe all this. Okay, so that we can begin with something fresh. So Control+A, backspace key, Control+S to save that, and then this CSS, Control+A, wipe it all, Control+S to save that. Also, I want to remind you guys that one of the reasons why I do not like to post these videos on YouTube is that this is a class lecture. It's not like a tutorial. See, and moreover, sometimes too, I switch to this tab here, showing you guys your account, and others. This is privacy. This is like your account pictures, and these are all privacy. The first lecture, I sat down, took my time to use video editing software to remove all the part that we are taking questions and showing this interface, and it took me time. It really took time before I have to export the video. It all took time. That is why